Welcome to Tech Hack Desktop. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a DIY website with a Blogger platform. Now, if you are not familiar with the Blogger platform is actually a free hosted, a Google hosted free uh, sites platforms or software you can use to create a blog. Now, many people that are just starting blogging may not have the funds to be able to create their own, to be able to pay their own website. So, how are we going to do this? Now, I've created DIY My Tech. If you don't know what the DIY means do it yourself. But that's by the way. We are going to actually expand this the more. So let's get started. Now when you get to this Blogger platform, you see this is your site name, this is the post, this is the statistics of viewers, 0 views, just a new site, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings. So once you've gotten to this stage, there is one thing for you to do. Before you get to this stage, what you have to do is, if you can get a blogger site, you must have a Gmail. You must have a Gmail account. So if you don't have a Gmail account, go and create one. Just go to gmail.com or go to mail.google.com. All will give you the same result. Now let's see if you have created a Gmail and your Gmail is running. Now the next thing for you to do is to create a Blogger website. Just go to Blogger. Just first of all, you log into your Gmail in a browser. Then go to now blogger.com. Once you tap it, because I've created already, it will take me to my listing. But if you have not created, they will ask you to fill in your site name. Your site name should be this. Is this DIY My Tech? That is your site name. If I come here, title, the same thing is the title. Title DIY My Tech. If you're creating, because it's a DIY site, you create DIY Flavor or DIY Mac or DIY Freeman, something like that. So once you created it, you click on next, save on next. It will ask you to put in your domain name. Now your domain name should be related to your title. Like in my own case, my domain name is DIYMyTech.blogspot.com. This is it. Once you create it, they ask you to create a display name. What do they mean by display name? Display name means the name I will be displaying when a visitor comes to visit or read your article. Let me show you an example. Now let me create a post. Okay. So yourself in your office. I'll choose a label DIY. Click on publish. I'll publish it. So let me now view the post. Okay. This doesn't have auto profile, but we can set it up. So let's say profile, about me, don't show location. Then let's move this here and let's save it here. Okay, let's refresh and see. Let's change our theme, our template. I recommend this one. Okay, see the mark, Freeman. That's what. That's why it is like that. That's why it is like that. So that's the first thing you need to do. You put in your name. So once you put in your name, then you cannot come to layout. Then you can format other things here. Like this page now. You can make it to be visible. Then you add some. Then you come here. You add some pages. Pages like about us. Publish. Then another one, contact us. contact us. So once then you can write about privacy, 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 privacy page. Then this one could be terms and conditions. Terms and conditions. So terms and conditions. So once this is done, you cannot go back to layer. Or let's open layer in a new tab so that you will see how I'm going to do it. So first of all, you see there is no page, there's no visible page here that one can see. So it doesn't really look very nice to behold. I'll now go to the page list. I'll now come here, terms and conditions. I can choose to copy this thing. Come here. But you can type it. I choose to copy faster one. You copy link address. You paste it here. You paste it here, or you can then click on page. Then you add click on page. Since the page is having some small issues, well, let's wait for it to integrate, to load. Sorry. Then page link. Page title. Let's privacy policy. Let's also add contact us. Let's also add about us. Then let's save. Let's view as I can see. Okay, the pages are here. Here are the pages. that's how it's being done. That's how it's being done. Now once you've done this, it's important you set up some things. Here, you set up a header image instead of this DIY. Then it should be your header, your image. While setting up the image, you must make sure that it tallies with the recommended size. So once this is done, then there are other few things you may consider do. You may consider to do. Which is adding logo and adding favicon. To add logo, you come here, you see this header page, header gadget. This is where you add your logo. So you put this here, this is the logo. Once you've done that, then if you want to change the favicon, what is favicon? Favicon is this thing. If you want to change it to something else, that's your favicon. Then when you come here, you check for favicon. This is the favicon. You upload here. You upload. Make sure your image doesn't exceed 100 kilobytes. Make sure it's small. You must make sure the size is very tallies with the recommended thing there. So once you've done that, then you are good to go. So once you've done that, you click on save, and that's all. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can be able to produce more videos like this. Thank you once again for watching.